How to change videos quality on your Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your videos quality on your Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee, and once you are scroll over your For You page, you're gonna find the video you want, and now click on the share icon, or you're gonna find some app on it. For example, I found this by WhatsApp. Click on it, you're gonna find this list. Scroll over the second list and you're gonna find quality. Click on it, and here you can choose quality: auto, HD, or data saver. In here you can fix quality, and this is it. So easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.